exactly how I was able to catch a very nice spike over 550 pips, catching spike, trading the boom and crash market. And you can see I'm using a simple 5-minute trading scalping strategy that you can be able to scalp the spike, scalp the market, make sure you make good money trading the boom and crash market. The boom and crash market, and this is exactly what I want you to understand. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about boom and crash 5-minute scalping spike strategy. I will also give you the settings for the strategy. We'll talk about the concept behind this strategy, which is where I'm going to talk about what is a stochastic indicator, because we are using a stochastic indicator as our final entry confirmation trigger to take our trade. And also on our bonus tip, I'm going to give you entry and exit point for this awesome boom and crash 5-minute scalping strategy that I used to scalp the market this 2025 and 2026 beyond. And you can see right now we have a market currently giving us, this position is giving us over 500 pips. This one too, the same thing. This one is giving us over 150 pips. Currently stacking liquidity, catching spike, trading the boom and crash market. And for those that have been following us even in our BFE signal group, this is where we shared the signal in our BFE group, and I told you we have a simple spike catching strategy that we use to understand the market. Let me show you. Yes, this is the first concept behind the strategy, which is that's not the all you can see. So this is the basic concept behind the strategy. Whenever we have a trend or a market trending below this moving average on the main chart, that will be our first confirmatory entry signals, and we need to use our price action. I repeat, we need to use our price action and market condition to get your confirmed entry from your stochastic condition, and you don't have any problem, you will take your trade. And I'm going to show you all the settings. After I'm giving you the settings, I'm going to highlight to you how the strategy works. You can see if you are following it, if you even trade with high time frames, you can be able to replace the strategy trade. You see here I'm showing something. This is one. Okay, this is crash 1000. Yes, this is where we enter our trade. This is it. We enter our 33 at 1.296 price level. Market continue to trade. Right now we are trading over 500 pips on one of our first liquidity stacking positions. And I told you, whenever we have a breakdown of market structure, market stack liquidity. Whenever we have the breakdown of market structure, market stack liquidity. This is Forex Gold trading channel. So let's dive in now. Let me first of all give you the settings. Let me start by giving you the settings of this boom and crash magic bomb spike strategy. So for the settings, let me give you the settings of this awesome boom and crash magic bomb spike strategy. So for those that want the quicker settings, for those that want the settings very fast, you can just quickly tap into your browser, which is Sosa FX Store, major sponsor of our boom and crash Forex Club. So you see, if you come to Sosa FX Club, this is the strategy here of this free boom and crash spike strategy that works 5 minutes. You see, this is the strategy. You see, these are the strategy. You can see this is the settings. These are the settings. So if you want the settings downloaded on your mobile phone so that you can be able to set it up, you should be able to just go through and read this blog post, because this blog post contains the complete settings of this awesome strategy, which was sponsored and published by Sosa FX Club. So these are the settings of this strategy. You can get the settings, or you can easily click on the link in the description. You can click on here. If you click on this link, download here, you should be able, there's a download button here. Check our latest blog post. Below this download button, you see a download link here that says, or you can just chat support, chat them. You can just chat them and tell them, please give me the full settings of the latest M5 spike strategy. You'll see. So if you charge them, they should be able to get you the settings easily and correctly and directly. And you can be able to even call them. You can call them and talk to them. So that is what I can say. And for those that want to set it directly on their mobile phone, here are the settings. Here are the settings. Here are the settings of the strategy. So on the main chart, we have moving average with a period of 9. The moving average has a 9 period. It has shifts 2, method exponential, apply to close, levels, no levels, and the style is dark blue. That is the current condition and the current profile of this blue moving average. So now, moving to the indicator window 1, we have what we call stochastic oscillator, where we have the following settings: K period, 8, D period, 3, slowing, 5. Price level, price field, low, high, method simple. And on the levels, we have some levels: buy zone 20 level, sell zone 80 level, level 50 level. That level is a special level where if you are a scalp trader, you need to take your profit at level, or if price is trying to break below your stop loss at level, you should be able to exit that market. You should be able to allow that market trade. You should be able to allow that market understand that you are no more interested in trading that particular market and you are waiting for the next particular setup to take your trade. You can be able to screenshot it. If you screenshot it, will be better. The last one is moving average period 6, shift 2, method linear weight, applied to weighted close, HLCC/4, no style. There is red style, which is short dash lines. If you break it like this, you can be able to screenshot it. Screenshot it, please. If you screenshot it, you should be able to have something like this. If you screenshot it, you should have the correct screenshot. If you want to have the correct, and you see, you should be able to have something like this. If you are able to set up this strategy like this, you should be able to have something like this. If you are able to set up this strategy correctly like this, this is how you should be able to have your chart. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel. Please, if you are finding anybody on this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like this video, share this video to your loved ones, because it's a free boom and crash spike catching strategy, 5-minute spike catching strategy that I'm giving you here, so that you should be able to leverage that and make sure you make money consistently catching spike, trading the boom and crash market. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel. And let's move to the point of our list. After the settings, I'm going to tell you what is the concept behind this strategy. So the main concept behind this awesome boom and crash 5-minute scalping strategy is very cool and straightforward. The number one question is, we are using what we call stochastic. What is stochastic? We use the stochastic indicator and we use the moving average. We use moving average. It's a very good indicator, and I've been using it for a very long time. So we are using moving average to filter our trade. On the main chart, this 9 moving average, you are seeing this 9 moving average with shift 2 exponential, this 9 EMA. We are using this 9 EMA as a filter. What I mean by filter, it filters our trend. Whenever price is trading and creating higher highs or higher lows above this moving average, will signifies uptrend. Whenever price is trading below this moving average and creating lower highs and lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower lows, that signifies a strong and survive nice downtrend market, which will be able to use and make sure you follow the steps correctly and get what you want. So that was the first confirmation. You identifying what is the major time frame is the telling you filter by the trade condition, which you need to do this always on the 5-minute time frame. Even though you are going to use the 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, or 1-hour time frame for your entry, but for identifying the major trend, make sure you are using the 5-minute time frame. In 5-minute time frame, you should be able to understand what market is producing this higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher. So these trends and these conditions you are seeing are very, very, very nice and easy to follow. These are the things you need to understand, and these are the things you need to do. Why? Because if you follow these conditions correctly, if you follow these things very well, you should be able to understand it very well. You should be able to get this correct trend very well. And when you get the correct trend very well, you don't have any problem, because the second window indicator, which is window indicator 1, which is the one that we're going to have a second confirmation here at this level. You need to understand what are the major price levels are telling you. Exactly somewhere around here. Look at it. We have a significant break above structure, and after that, price that create higher highs, higher lows, signifies higher low. But this is in form of what? This is in form of crash. I want this in form of boom. But I'm giving you example on crash because we are trading crash 1000 here for almost over 1 to 2 weeks right now in our VIP signals, and I'm telling you, I'm trying to backtest this awesome strategy for you, because I know that if I backtested this strategy for you, you should never have a problem with this strategy. You should never have any concern with this strategy. This strategy should be able to make you understand how it works and where it is and how it's going to be. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel, and nice to have you now. Let's move to the last, which is the last on our list, which I'm going to give you the bonus entry tips, which is the entry point and the exit point for this awesome strategy. So as I repeat earlier, this strategy has 2 entry points. If you have the confirmation from the main chart and also in the confirmation from the window indicator 1, you should be able to take your trade. I repeat, you should be able to take your trade, especially if you have those confirmations from those main chart and also the other indicator 1. Because if you have confirmations, that is what you need from this market. If you have confirmations, that is the only thing you can do to have this kind of result. If you have confirmations, you can stack liquidity anyhow. If you have confirmations, you can trade the market anyhow. If you have confirmations, you can be able to do anything you want to do from this market. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel. And for the entry point, let's say for this one, we enter this market. Let's go to the 5 minute time frame. You enter this market. You see this one, this second entry. You see we have observed a break of structure at this level, and this break of structure happen how many candles? 1, 2, 3. 3 good bearish candles break this structure. This is a confirmed break of structure. You see market trending in a downtrend and barely break structure. And what happened? Price come and tap into this level, and that is where, though we even use aggressive entry and enter at the break of this level, and that is when the market continue to come down. You see market continue to create lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So everything has aligned with that. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel. And nice to have you now. That is what you need to have for the sell entry. You can do the same thing for Boom 1000. Let's check Boom 500 and see what it's doing, whether you can have a good entry with Boom 500 index. You see, okay, so on Boom 1000 we have a strong uptrend. You see, let's see, we have opportunity. We have opportunity. No, Boom 1000 on the high time frame is downtrend, but on the lower time frame is uptrend. So you can even use this opportunity like now. This one we should have entered around here, around this area, when this price level was at this level. So whenever we have a confirmation from the stochastic, and what is stochastic? So stochastic indicator, it simply means an indicator measures momentum of price of a financial asset, identifying overbought and oversold condition. So you must understand what is this overbought and oversold levels for you to be able to make sure you make good money, you make good profit, trading the boom and crash, catching spike, using this awesome boom and crash magic bomb spike catching strategy. So please don't forget, if you like any, if you have any question on this video, don't forget comment your question in the description below, and I promise to respond to your question before the next 24 hours. And for those that want to download the settings completely and easily, kindly check Sosa FX Club.store, or kindly go to our Boom and Crash. Check the link in the description below, where you should be able to have this website, which is owned and controlled by Sosa FS Club, the official partners that owns Boom and Crash Forex Club. And reminder for you, they are creating a very nice Boom and Crash bootcamp. Kindly follow them, ask them question, and you should be able to participate in their bootcamp, which is coming soon these days. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel. And also, if you want to have the settings of this strategy, kindly go to this blog page of this Sosa FS Club, and you go to their blog. If you check this strategy, this is the strategy. Sorry, this is not the strategy. You can check down below. You can check this one. This is the strategy. Then this one, you can be able to get this. And you can go down, you see the settings, and you can be able to download the settings. If you are unable to download the settings, kindly call live chat, call them or chat them, and they should be able to give you the complete free settings of this awesome boom and crash 5-minute scalping trading strategy. Nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.